Welcome to Data Design's YouTube channel. Powder bathroom of small in size offer a unique opportunity to experiment with gold designs and creative decor ideas. An elegant powder room can leave a lasting impression on guests, often becoming a showcase for your interior design skills. From luxurious wallpapers and modern vanity design to statement lighting and chic accessories, these are countless ways to elevate the space. Use decorative mirrors to make the room more feel larger and opt for cohesive color schemes that exude sophistication. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary look, and the right design choices can transform your half bathroom into a stylish, functional retreat. Even the smallest details like chic faucets or designer handle tables can add a touch of luxury with the right elements. Your powder room can become a standout feature in your home. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe, like Interior Design channel.